7. AR content publishing and distribution. Preparing AR projects for deployment. When it comes to AR content publishing and distribution, there are several key tasks involved. Firstly, preparing AR projects for deployment is crucial. This includes finalizing the design, functionality, and content of the AR experience to ensure it meets the desired goals and user expectations. Packaging and publishing AR experiences for different platforms. Once the AR project is ready, the next step is packaging and publishing it for different platforms. This involves converting the AR project into a format compatible with the target platforms, such as mobile devices, smart glasses, or web browsers. Each platform may have specific requirements and considerations that need to be taken into account during this process. App Store Guidelines and Submission Process. App Store guidelines and submission process play a significant role in making AR experiences available to users. Different platforms, such as Apple's App Store or Google Play, have specific guidelines and requirements for AR applications. These guidelines cover aspects like user experience, content restrictions, privacy policies, and more. Adhering to these guidelines and successfully navigating the submission process is crucial for getting AR experiences approved and distributed through app stores. Testing and debugging AR applications. Testing and debugging AR applications is an essential step to ensure a smooth and glitch-free user experience. This involves thoroughly testing the AR experience on various devices, platforms, and operating systems to identify and fix any technical issues, performance bottlenecks, or compatibility problems. It's important to ensure that the AR content functions as intended and provides an engaging experience across different devices. In summary, AR content publishing and distribution involve preparing AR projects, packaging and publishing for different platforms, following App Store guidelines, and submitting the applications for review. Additionally, thorough testing and debugging are necessary to deliver high-quality and immersive AR experiences to users. 8. Optimization and performance in AR development. Optimizing AR experiences for performance and efficiency. Optimization and performance are crucial factors in AR development to ensure smooth and immersive experiences for users. By focusing on optimizing AR experiences, developers can enhance performance and efficiency, providing a seamless user interface. Reducing latency and improving responsiveness. Reducing latency is a key aspect of optimizing AR applications. Minimizing the delay between user actions and system responses is essential for a responsive and immersive experience. Techniques such as predictive tracking and advanced rendering algorithms can be employed to achieve low latency in AR interactions. Managing memory usage and asset optimization. Efficient memory management and asset optimization are vital to optimize AR applications. By carefully managing memory usage, developers can prevent performance issues like stuttering or crashes. Additionally, optimizing 3D models, textures, and other assets helps reduce the overall memory footprint and improves loading times. Testing and profiling AR applications. Testing and profiling AR applications are essential steps in the optimization process. By utilizing profiling tools, developers can identify performance bottlenecks and areas that require improvement. This enables them to fine-tune the application and address any performance issues before deployment. Overall, focusing on optimization and performance in AR development ensures that users can enjoy seamless, responsive, and immersive experiences while maximizing the capabilities of the underlying hardware. 9. Best practices and advanced techniques in AR development. Advanced animation and physics techniques in AR. Best practices and advanced techniques in AR development involve leveraging advanced animation and physics techniques to enhance the realism and interactivity of augmented reality experiences. By incorporating sophisticated animations and physics simulations, developers can create more immersive and engaging AR content. Advanced scripting and customization options. Additionally, Advanced scripting and customization options provide developers with greater flexibility and control over the behavior and appearance of AR elements. This allows for the creation of highly tailored and personalized experiences, catering to specific user preferences and requirements. AR Cloud and Multiplayer AR Experiences. The integration of AR Cloud technology enables the development of multiplayer AR experiences, where users can interact and collaborate within a shared augmented environment. This opens up new possibilities for social interactions, gaming, and collaborative work in AR. Exploring emerging trends and future developments in AR. Furthermore, staying updated with emerging trends and future developments in AR is crucial for developers to continually push the boundaries of AR experiences. By exploring cutting-edge technologies and concepts such as volumetric capture, spatial mapping, and advanced tracking algorithms, developers can create innovative and groundbreaking AR applications. Overall, adopting these best practices and advanced techniques empowers AR developers to create more compelling, realistic, and immersive experiences that captivate users and drive the growth and adoption of augmented reality technology. 10. Certification exam preparation and review. Reviewing key concepts and topics for the certification exam. Certification exam preparation and review involves a comprehensive approach to ensure success in your upcoming certification exam. This process includes reviewing key concepts and topics that are relevant to the exam, practicing sample questions and scenarios, and learning exam tips and strategies. By thoroughly understanding the material and gaining familiarity with the exam format, you can enhance your chances of passing the certification exam. Practicing sample questions and scenarios. One effective method of preparation is reviewing the key concepts and topics covered in the exam. This involves revisiting the core areas of knowledge that are essential for the certification. By reviewing relevant study materials, textbooks, or online resources, you can refresh your understanding of the subject matter and identify any knowledge gaps that need to be addressed. Exam tips and strategies. Practicing sample questions and scenarios is another crucial aspect of exam preparation. By solving a variety of practice questions, you can improve your problem-solving skills and become familiar with the types of questions you may encounter on the actual exam. This practice helps in building confidence and allows you to refine your approach to answering questions effectively. Mock exams and assessments. Exam tips and strategies provide valuable guidance on how to approach the exam, manage time efficiently, and maximize your performance. These tips may include strategies for tackling different question formats, identifying keywords or cues in questions, and prioritizing certain topics based on their weightage in the exam. Understanding and implementing these strategies can greatly enhance your overall exam performance. Mock exams and assessments serve as an excellent way to simulate the actual exam environment. By taking mock exams, you can gauge your preparedness, identify areas of improvement, and get accustomed to the time constraints and pressure of the real exam.